guys, another version. We put the, we call it in the Philippines, kamias. Sa Bisaya, guys, balimbing. Ay, sama na yun. Nakapalit yan. This recipe of the quiz is asking guys naturally fresh kamias. Which is binabad yan guys. Binilad. Pinura na guys. And then that's it. Nilagay na sa bottle. From Philippines guys. You know this one. Yan. Let's see what's the taste for this guys. This is the final guys, final version of laing from Bicol, style of Bicol guys. In Masbate also we are cooking like this, but I